Hello, YouTube, and welcome to a video where I'll be reviewing a product from Total Seminars. The product is Total Tester. So before we look at the real product of Total Tester, I took a pre-assessment. So that lets you know where you are before you start studying. I'm halfway through reading the book, and I found it to be easier than the pre-assessment from the A plus. I remember that I failed it, and this one I passed by, a question or two. So I guess that's a good thing. I hope the practice tests are harder, but I'm gonna review the 8 questions that I missed, and hopefully we'll learn something new for the Network Plus exam. Okay, so I have an option to review the test or not. I'm going to review it and I'm just going to show the ones that I missed. I'm not going to show all the questions. So it's just those 8 questions that I was talking about. Okay, let's read it. Fred has just purchased a new home router for his Soho internet connection. He cannot get on the internet. He opens the web browser interface for the router and determines that his WAN address is 0000. Which of the following is the best way to resolve this? Okay. Um, it gives you the correct answer and it shows you the one that you selected. So I said verify that it's static WAN address. I thought we need to change it to a static WAN address. Do a DHCP renew the router's browser interface. Okay. Vast majority of Soho internet connections use DHCP for router IP information. The best answer is to do a DHCP renew for router's IP address. Okay. I don't know. I usually set up like kind of modem by static entry from like a ISP. I guess it's automated. Anyway, I missed that one. Next. Okay, number 7. You work as an assistant net admin for a mid-sized company. You have been tasked with maintaining your company's configuration management documentation. When would it be a good time to make update on your network maps? Okay, I said after your network admin team runs an audit, but the answer is when a router has been moved to another location. So I guess when you want to make changes, then you need to update it. Um, Network map are the physical, logical rep of a network. When if you physically move a router, switch, so on, you should update your documentation. Okay, so anytime there's a change, you should update your documentation. So yeah, you'll need to know different SOPs and policies and procedures for maintaining networks as well. That's a good example. Geez, 2 questions later. Number 9, you're sitting in a machine at totalsims.com domain trying to reach the host. What DNS server can resolve the host name? I was like, well, I'm here at totalsim.com and I'm going to use the totalsim DNS server. No, I don't know. That was my logic at the second. Um, you're going to need the DNS of the web server itself. Okay. DNS server is nowhere to find root DNS server of the .com server, but in a normal situation, that server itself would know where to find the host. Okay, so it could be that answer. A little tricky, but it would look there first. But root DNS would have everything, right? Okay, moving on. Next question. So we got 6 left. Oh, I got up to 10 and then I missed one. A multitude of hosts working together to bring down a network. I thought that would be like a DDoS, right? Coordinated attack, traffic spike. Well, I guess one source could make a traffic spike, but I'm thinking multiple would for like a DDoS attack. Coordinated. Okay, I could see where that goes. Coordinated means multiple together, simultaneous, right? Okay, so wording, very specific. I missed it. Um, 2 more later. IEEE oversees Ethernet technology. Um, I said 802.11. What? 802.3? Ethernet is 2.3. Ah, that's for Wi-Fi. Okay. I'm so used to seeing 2.11 for everything, and I forgot that 2.3 is for Ethernet. So that was a silly one. Wow, I skipped all the way to 45, so I probably missed a ton at the end. Okay, Balen Widget Corporation has a central office, 5 satellites. Okay, I remember this one. It talked about topologies. So topologies is on the exam. They all want to connect to the central office. I kind of think of like the central office in the middle, and then I drew a map, kind of like a star around it, and then connecting together. So I thought that looked more like a star, but hybrid would be the correct answer because they're all connecting in the middle, like I don't know, kind of like a pizza, but without the crust. You know what I mean? Okay, next. 46. I missed the OSI layer question. So we need to know all people seem to need data processing. You need to know how to go up and down and list that acronym. Okay, packets, enabling packets to be routed. So I thought routing and I thought transportation, but that's not correct. Why is that not correct? Okay, network layer adds the IP addresses to the packets. So when you want to think encapsulation of where it's going, um, and where it's routing network, I guess going inside the network and delivering it would be the transport layer. Okay, interesting. Good to know. See, I'm learning quite a bit from this product already. I like it. 49, continuously bombarding a remote computer with broadcast pings, contact, bogus return address. What kind of attack? I said DDoS. Ooh, I miss DDoS. Um, K, Smurf, the type of DDoS attack known specifically as a Smurf attack. So I don't quite remember what Smurf attack is. I guess that means it has to be a broadcast ping and not have a return address. Okay, I got to review security principles and some attacks. Forgot that one. And that's the end. Cool. So I hope you enjoyed this little preview. It's a cool tool. I'm going to start doing the practice exams when I'm towards the end of my studying material, but I do like Total Seminars and their product. Give it a shot. I hope you will also enjoy it and hopefully prepare for the exam. Thank you for watching and good luck.